But before we begin, let's review some of the rules needed to understand about articles that are indefinite. Rules to follow. The articles a and n are placed before the noun to indicate that it is singular. A pen, it means one pen. A is used when the noun begins with a consonant sound. Remember we talked about the rule N is only used if there's a vowel. So the next rule is N is used when the noun begins with a vowel sound. Vowel sounds are A, E, I, O, or U. So the next exercise, we're going to determine which indefinite article we're going to use before the noun. So by following these rules, we will complete the following exercises. So for exercise number 4, number 1, bracelet. Bracelet will begin with a bracelet. It means one bracelet. And because it starts with the consonant and not a vowel, we would just use A, not N. Number 2, restaurant. We would use a restaurant. Number 3, flag. A flag. Number 4, ant. Now remember the rule, A, E, I, O, or U, we have to use the indefinite article N. So, N, ant. Now, if you remember, part of the rules is that you must understand that A or N means one. So this means one bracelet, a bracelet. This means one restaurant, a restaurant. This means one flag, a flag. This means one ant, an ant. Let's move on to number 5, pencil. A pencil. Again, one pencil, a pencil. Number 6, horse. A horse. A horse means one horse.